guys, welcome to today's video. So whenever this basket makes appearance, you know what time it is. It's time to do beauties empties. So this is gonna be my last beauty empties of 2023. So this is the last of the year, and it's almost that time of year to do the roundup of my favorites, the stuff that gave me troubles this year. So let's dive on in to the empties. There's not a whole lot here than I normally have. I'm like, okay, it's still building up, so I'm going to get rid of it when I get a chance. So let's dive on in and see what comes across. Again, a lot of my empties are normally like skincare, hair care. There's some of the stuff in here is like some of the stuff that is partially full. I just want to get rid of it because I really don't use it anymore, and I haven't needed to grab it lately, so I was like, may as well just get rid of it. So let's dive on in. So the Quio Luxury Cotton Facial Pads. I use these all the time. I'm almost empty of another one, so I'm gonna be definitely purchasing this one again. I feel like these are due for the Shiseido ones. I haven't really tried the Shiseido ones, but I'm gonna pick one of those up just to compare the two. The Cure Bond Repair Shampoo. And I also got the conditioner, but I did got the empty of the conditioner as well, but I did not bring it with me. I really just in my bathroom and grabbed everything else except that. The Bond Repair Shampoo. Right now I'm using, not 100% sure if I'm going to be purchasing this one. I did really enjoy the Mika products. Right now I'm using Pureology one. Strength one, I think it is. I can't remember. But this one I try. I did really enjoy it. I may repurchase this one again later on. The Sephora Collection Clarifying Toner. I love the toner from the Sephora Collection. Definitely be purchasing that when I go through my toners. The Soap and Glory Already In Shower Moisturizer. I have not really used this in a while, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I didn't really care for it, and it didn't feel very moisturizing at all. Same these. The Ferulic Acid by Inculus. I do really enjoy this one. This is the one I've repurchased several times. Once I go through the one I'm currently using by Glow Recipe, the avocado one. I do really enjoy this one because it's so cheap and I don't need spending a whole lot of money on cleanser for washing my face. The Makeup Flash Instant Shine Mask. I will be definitely picking this up when I get a chance because I just loved how my hair felt afterwards wearing this and all that stuff. These are from Walmart, Continentals. They're okay. The Sephora Collection Vitamin C Vitamins Ultra Glow Toner, Bright and Tone. I really enjoy this one as well. I like the toners from Sephora Collection. Ole Henriksen. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C I do really enjoy this one when I get a chance. I will be definitely repurchasing because I got the full size one here and I also got the mini here as well. Empty. The Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I love this stuff. I picked up another one when I was during Amazon Prime. All that stuff. Really enjoyed it. It wasn't Bioderma that was in here. I used this bottle as a replacement. I think it was Garnier or something. I can't remember what micellar water I had in here, but it's micellar water that I got empty. So right now I'm using the chlorine one, and right now I'm using another one in my bathroom. The Ole Henriksen Barrier Booster Orange Ferment Essence. I will be getting this one, picking this one up once I go through the Laneige water essence I have in my bathroom right now. Another cosmetic brand from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. That's probably good. The Glow Recipe Plum and Plum Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I do really enjoy this one. I got another one because I got that big, huge kit that was full-size skincare. So I got a full one of that one in my bathroom right now. I do really enjoy this one. I prefer this one over the water cream I'm actually using right now. Not the other, this Waterbank, the water cream, I think it's called. But by Laneige. Foundation, the Revlon Skin Caring Foundation. And when I get a chance, I will be purchasing this one because I prefer the Revlon one over the NARS because I feel like this one's similar range. No, drop something. Yeah, no, so I really do really enjoy Inky Lust. The hyaluronic acid from Inky Lust is really good, and the niacinamide serum from Inky Lust is really well too. I have repurchased those several times. I'm using right now a hyaluronic acid from Glow Recipe. My Tower 28 mascara finally dried out on me, so I got rid of that. I got a sponge here and easy to throw away. That was Real Techniques one. I found a Dollarama. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I prefer the Beauty Blender. That one's like kind of old now, so I gotta get rid of it. And then the Sephora Collection brow stuff. I actually really enjoy this brow stuff. It's actually surprising really well. But I'm using the L'Oreal one again today. Oh no, I forgot something in the bathroom in my room. I'll be right back because it's part of these. But you know, it's coming to an empties video. Eventually you'll be like getting through to my Halo Beauty stuff. I use these ones every single day. It's a vitamin you take every day. Once a day. I highly recommend them. Like, I'm probably gonna do a deep dive on these again in a hot minute. Might do a short on it. I don't know. It might be a TikTok one. I don't know. But highly recommend because I've been taking the HSN and multivitamin for almost quite a few years now. And then the anti-aging one, I've been enjoying that as well. So yeah. The one thing I like about Halo Beauty is like I can literally like sit here and read all the ingredients. There's no magical blend on it. Everything's clearly written. All that stuff. And then like I really enjoy it sugar free because last like a month ago when I got just beyond close, I'll say about a month ago. I went and go get my hair done and because a lady came up to me, do you want a skin gummy? I'm like, no. I already take multivitamins, and then I was like questioning it because of the gummies ones. I kind of scared to take because I feel like there's gonna be sugar and all that stuff. Vitamins really don't need sugar, and there's like all that stuff. And then I'm finally tossing up my package top fan here because it's falling apart in areas of it, so it needs to go. This is another part that empties my Flash, the razors of it, all that stuff. Gotta go. I think I got like one and a half of the components left. The Beauty Blender Boost 4-1 Peptide. I'm not gonna be repurchasing this because I find that after a while the sprayer will get clogged and not work great. Usually that for me is usually the sprayer starts falling apart or ends up clogging up or starts leaking it sometimes and then not working properly. So the Ole Henriksen Glow to Ho Glow HO Dark Spec Toner. This is a sample one. I'm probably not going to repurchase this one because I prefer something similar to it ish Sephora collection, but I do really want to try Paula's Choice one. So yeah. Again, this is a lot of skincare, hair care-ish type things. Not very much makeup this time around. All that stuff, so I post 2 videos twice a week on Wednesdays and Fridays at 10 a.m. PC. Don't forget to subscribe, don't ring a bell, and yeah. Let me know below. What you're looking for. I'm gonna be doing a yearly roundup here. I'm trying to do another declutter here soon as well, because I really want to go through my collection before the new year's up. But there's 2 weeks left in the year, leading up to over 2.5 weeks left in the year, and my work schedule next year.